Your health is a journey, and as we navigate the years, understanding how different parts of our body signal overall well-being becomes incredibly important. Today, we're going to explore a vital aspect of men's health that often goes unaddressed, yet offers profound insights into your physical and emotional state, your penile health. Think of it as a crucial barometer, offering early warnings and guiding you toward a more vibrant, healthy life. Let's dive into 10 key areas to consider for maintaining this essential part of your health. Your penis isn't just a standalone organ. Its function is a remarkable indicator of your systemic health. Many men don't realize this, but issues like erectile dysfunction or ED can serve as an early warning system. Studies have shown that men who begin experiencing problems with erections, when followed over 7 years, have a significantly higher risk, about 14%, of experiencing a heart attack. This isn't just a coincidence, it's because strong erections signal robust blood flow, balanced hormones, a well-functioning nervous system, and a generally good psychological state. When these systems are in harmony, your body communicates it through healthy penile function. So, if you notice changes, don't ignore them. See them as your body nudging you to check on your broader health. In the age of information, it's easy to stumble upon unproven remedies for penile health concerns, particularly regarding size or thickness. But please resist the urge to experiment with homemade concoctions or unverified techniques. Many of these are not only ineffective, but can be downright dangerous. For example, practices like Jelqing, which involves manual stretching of the penis, can cause microscopic tears and injury over time, potentially leading to irreversible erectile dysfunction. Similarly, using homemade constriction devices like rings cut from plastic bottles or even metal nuts can become tragically stuck, leading to severe swelling, tissue damage, and requiring emergency medical intervention. Instead, if you need a constriction ring, invest in a safe, medically designed one available commercially, specifically made for easy and safe removal. For any concerns about penile size or function, always consult with a qualified urologist. Keeping your penis clean is fundamental. For uncircumcised men, this includes gently retracting the foreskin daily to clean underneath. Neglecting this area can lead to a condition called balanitis, an infection and inflammation of the foreskin, which can be quite uncomfortable. Regular, gentle cleaning also allows you to inspect the area for any unusual changes. If you find it difficult to retract your foreskin, it's important to speak with your doctor. While penile cancer is rare, an inability to retract the foreskin can obscure early signs of potential issues. Sometimes this can be addressed with creams, specific devices, or in some cases, a circumcision. When cleaning, remember that the skin on your penis is delicate. Avoid harsh, heavily scented soaps or aggressive scrubbing, which can cause irritation, dryness, or even minor abrasions. A gentle wash with mild, soapy water is all that's needed to keep the area clean and prevent smegma buildup. Any pain or unusual changes in your penis warrant immediate medical attention. Ignoring these signals can have serious consequences. For instance, pain or discharge could indicate a sexually transmitted infection, STI, or urinary tract infection, UTI. Blood in your urine, even if intermittent, might signal kidney stones, bladder stones, or, in more serious cases, bladder or penile cancer. An unhealing sore or ulcer on the penis should also be promptly evaluated. We understand that discussing intimate health concerns can feel vulnerable or embarrassing. However, your health is paramount. If you feel judged by your doctor, seek out another healthcare provider who makes you feel comfortable and respected. Early detection and treatment for conditions like penile cancer, though rare, are crucial for a better outcome, often leading to less invasive treatments than if the problem is left to progress. Safe sexual practices are not only responsible, but also enhance intimacy and pleasure. Using condoms correctly and consistently not only prevents STIs and unwanted pregnancies, but also fosters a sense of security and freedom, allowing for deeper connection and enjoyment. There are many types of condoms available, so don't hesitate to experiment with your partner to find what works best for you. Beyond protection, maintaining control during vigorous sexual activity is important to prevent injury. A penile fracture, which is a tear in the tunica albuginea, the fibrous sheath surrounding the erectile tissue, can occur if an erect penis bends sharply, perhaps by missing its target or hitting the pubic bone. This is a medical emergency, often accompanied by a distinct popping sound, immediate severe pain, and rapid swelling, sometimes described as an eggplant penis. If this happens, seek emergency care immediately, as surgical repair is typically needed to prevent long-term complications like erectile dysfunction. To minimize risk, consider gentle positioning and, if possible, holding onto your partner's hips to guide movement and angle. Another key to comfortable and safe intimacy is lubrication. Natural lubrication can decrease with age, especially for women going through perimenopause or menopause or due to certain medications or genetics. This doesn't reflect a lack of arousal. Using a good quality lubricant can significantly enhance comfort and pleasure for both partners, making sex more enjoyable and reducing the risk of friction-related injuries. Your testicles are designed to hang outside the body for a very specific reason. They need a slightly cooler temperature than core body temperature to optimally produce healthy sperm. Prolonged exposure to excessive heat can negatively impact sperm production, potentially affecting fertility, and may even influence testosterone levels. Therefore, it's wise to limit prolonged exposure to very hot environments, like jacuzzis or steam rooms. Also, be mindful of heat-emitting devices. When using a laptop, place a barrier between it and your lap or use it on a desk. Similarly, avoid carrying your cell phone in your front pocket for extended periods, as the heat it generates can contribute to a warmer scrotal environment. When it comes to masturbation, being gentle with your body is key. Overly aggressive techniques, sometimes referred to as a death grip, can lead to desensitization. If your body becomes accustomed to an extreme level of pressure or intensity that cannot be replicated during partnered intimacy, you might find it more challenging to achieve arousal or maintain an erection with a partner. The goal is to cultivate pleasurable experiences that are more aligned with the sensations you would experience with another person. Use lubricant, focus on gentle touch, and view self-pleasure as a positive, healthy exploration of your body, rather than a hurried or forceful act. This point is foundational for your entire well-being, including penile health. Quit smoking. Smoking is incredibly detrimental. It severely impacts blood flow, a critical component for erections, and is a major contributor to erectile dysfunction. Beyond that, smoking significantly increases your risk for serious conditions like bladder cancer, which often requires extensive and life-altering treatments. Balanced diet. Fueling your body with nutritious foods supports cardiovascular health, which directly translates to better blood flow and erectile function. Moderate alcohol, drug use. Excessive alcohol consumption and recreational drug use can impair sexual function and overall health. Regular exercise. A combination of aerobic exercise like brisk walking, swimming, or cycling, and resistance training like weightlifting is crucial. Aerobic activity improves blood circulation throughout your body, including to the penis, while resistance training can help maintain healthy testosterone levels. Even small, consistent steps towards increased activity can make a big difference. Manage stress. Chronic stress takes a significant toll on your entire system, impacting everything from your immune response to your sex drive and ability to achieve and maintain erections. Learning effective stress reduction techniques, whether through mindfulness, hobbies, social connection, or seeking professional support, is a vital component of holistic health. Remember, as we discussed in point 1, your penile health is a reflection of your overall health. By investing in these lifestyle choices, you're not just supporting one part of your body, you're nurturing your entire system. It's common for men to be incredibly hard on themselves when they experience issues with penile function. The stress and anxiety surrounding performance or perceived appearance can create a vicious cycle. For instance, if you experience an erection difficulty once, the worry about it happening again can become a self-fulfilling prophecy, making it even harder to relax and achieve an erection the next time. This stress amplifies the problem, leading to more anxiety. It's crucial to understand that fluctuations in penile function are normal. Everyone experiences times when things don't work perfectly, and that's okay. A single instance doesn't define your sexual health or your worth. Cultivate self-compassion, recognize that your body isn't a machine, and try to release the pressure. Open communication with a partner can also help alleviate this burden. But first, be kind to yourself. The old adage, use it or lose it, holds some truth when it comes to penile health. Consistent erections are vital for maintaining the health of penile tissue. During the night, your body typically provides 3 to 5 natural erections. These nocturnal erections are essential for delivering oxygenated blood to the penile tissues, keeping them healthy and elastic. If these natural erections cease, or if you consistently avoid sexual activity, the tissue can become less elastic, potentially leading to a slight shortening or changes in texture due to reduced blood flow and oxygenation. Additionally, if your sex drive diminishes, perhaps due to stress, hormonal changes, or simply avoiding sexual activity for a prolonged period, your body's natural urges can also decrease. While this might not be a concern for everyone, if you value intimacy and sexual connection, making an effort to engage in sexual activity or self-pleasure can help maintain your libido and the physiological health of the penis. Intimacy, in all its forms, offers numerous benefits for both individual well-being and relationship health, regardless of age. It's an important part of a fulfilling life that's worth nurturing. Taking care of your body, including your penile health, is an act of self-worth. By understanding these 10 principles, you are empowered to make informed choices that contribute to a healthier, more confident you,